This is part 2 of getting ready with your dermatologist as we talk about how to layer products. In part 1, we talked about the 2 general rules of how to layer skincare products, basically looking at texture and consistency, going from your thinnest skincare products to your thickest. And then we also talked about the second rule, which is putting active ingredients like vitamin C, antioxidants, retinol, retinoids, whatever, closest to the skin. So those are your 2 general rules. And then I also created a sample AM skincare routine. So in this video, we're gonna go over a sample PM skincare routine. I cannot do these brows on camera. For a sample PM routine, I will usually start with a double cleanse. So you have your oil-based cleanser followed by your liquid water-based cleanser, and that's so that the first step can take off all of the oil, dirt, sunscreen, makeup that you have on. And the second step, the water-based cleanser, will then take off everything else and get that residue gone. Wow, this is a lot more pigmented than I thought. So after you do that double cleanse, then you can move on to your second step, which is, again, your actives. So that's where I like to do my retinoid, which comes in the form of a serum. So that's kind of like an appropriate step for it, because again, we want to keep in mind texture and consistency. After that, then you can do your moisturizing steps. So you can do your serum, followed by your moisturizer. And then if you like to do some type of more intensive hydration on top, or some type of occlusive even to lock it all in, that would be your final step. Now, of course, there's a couple like curveballs you can throw in there to mix things up. Like if you're someone who likes to do sheet masks, I would do that after your serum, before your moisturizer, because it kind of counts as serum. Most sheet masks are like soaked in serum. So you put that on, rub the serum into your face, put some excess on your hands and your neck, and then you lock it all in with like moisturizer on top. Now, of course, this can all change from day to day. If you want to do something like skin cycling, then the products that you use every day might be different. Cycling is this idea, it's this term that was coined by Dr. Whitney Bowe, and it basically means not using your actives, like your active exfoliants like retinoids, AHAs, BHAs, etc., all on the same night, like kind of breaking it up so that you're not over exfoliating and really like damaging your skin barrier. I do not want you to think, however, that skin cycling means you can only stay at using your retinoid or retinol like twice a week, because that's also not true. I think what Dr. Bowe describes is like a beginner method. Like when you're getting used to it, you start off slow, but then you get faster and you use it more frequently. We are almost done. Here's the final look. What topic should I cover next?